এই হলো R7 নেটওয়ার্ক। আর আপনারা দেখছেন R7 বাংলা, বাংলার কথা বাঙালির মুখে।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद, आपका भी धन्यवाद। मित्रों, I have received a notice from Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji under Rule 267 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the Business of his intention to move the motion for suspension of business rules on 8th March 2021, that this House agrees to suspend the listed business to discuss huge and frequent increase in price of petrol, diesel, LPG, even when international crude oil prices are significantly low, and which is leading to further increase in price of all essential commodities, of all which is putting extreme burden on the shoulders of the common man, particularly in the past COVID economic crisis. I have gone through the notice and I have come to the conclusion that this issue can be discussed during the course of discussion on appropriation bill, and also we have enough opportunities to discuss during this budget part of the session. Please.
Sir, this is a very important issue and it is a burning subject. And throughout country, people are agitated. That's why we are requesting you to suspend all the rules under Rule 267 and give us a chance to speak on this subject, and ultimately what the government is going to tell about this, we will see. Sir, you are well aware, and it is not new to you. Now the petrol prices nearly 100 rupees per litre, and the diesel prices are more than 80 rupees, and LPG also increased, and all the petroleum products have gone up, and nearly 820% of petrol, 820% petrol, and around 258% excise duty after 214, and nearly 1,21,000 crores.
Right. We are not discussing in
Sir,
issue.
sorry.
You have given a notice. I have allowed you to mention the subject.
21 lakh crores.
Yes.
Sir, 21 lakh crores have been collected by putting excess excise duty,
Okay, Kharge ji.
and all these things.
I have
And
allowed
because
you-
of this, sir, because of this, the entire country is suffering.
Right.
The prices are going up.
Right.
No.
No,
This
please.
is very important issue.
Because
and
it's an important issue, I have allowed you to mention it, though you know the rules position. 267 is at the discretion of the chair. I have gone through it. There are enough opportunities, including appropriation bill and other occasions, to discuss it. But still, because you are a senior and also leader of the opposition, you have given a notice. I have just allowed you to mention the subject. You have rightly mentioned the subject, and we leave it there and we move on.
it is very important.
No.
Sir.
Now the
Sir,
please,
in
I have to go to-
entire country,
no.
farmers are suffering.
This will not go on
People are
record.
suffering.
This will not go on record. This will not go on record. You know. No. Please, it's not going on record. Please, it is very important. We should run the house. And this is the first day. This is the first day. Please. This is not going on record. Why are you really wasting your energies and taking the time of the house? Please bear with me. I have allowed you to express your views, and you have clearly expressed it, and then we must go on. Please. No. Every issue is important. The very issue, every issue is important. No, please. Time up. But now it is a question hour. Question 136. Narayan Das Gupta, question hour, please, बैठ जाइए. Question hour, Narayan Das Gupta. I have not allowed it. Please, question hour. Narayan Das Gupta, Lok Sabha.
I am in Lok Sabha, sir. Lok Sabha.
Laid on the table of the House.
Question number 136.
Right. Minister.
Answer is laid on the table of the House.
Right. Supplementary, Narayan Das Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Please. You are all aware of the rules. No, question hour also is important. Please. Question.
Sir.
Please go to your seats. कृपया बैठ जाइए. It's not going on record. Why are you wasting all this? Continue करिए. Narayan Das ji, continue करिए.
Sir, I have a question. Because the minister has said there is no established practice to identify the reasons and causes for such type of displacement, may I ask the minister whether we have identified at any point of time the reasons and causes for such type of displacement, or whether we have taken any steps in advance so that this problem
Right.
is addressed. Thank you.
Right, Minister. Please, बैठ जाइए. Please. You will be spoiling the others' opportunities. The question hour is important.
As he has asked a specific information, I will definitely write to him and give all details.
No comment. Second supplementary.
I would like to know, sir, whether these steps has been taken to address this problem, because every year this happens, although he has said...
ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, रिले नहीं होगा,
Sir, what are
रिपोर्ट
the
नहीं
steps-
कर सकते.
what are the
No
steps
relay,
that
no
we have
report.
taken to address this issue?
Yes.
मंत्री जी.
ये जो लोगों को डर लगता है कि ज्यादा बारिश होना या कभी ज्यादा बाढ़ आना, इसका ये जलवायु परिवर्तन से कोई संबंध है क्या? लेकिन लेट मी मेंशन आईपीसीसी रिपोर्ट, आईपीसीसी स्पेशल रिपोर्ट ऑन ग्लोबल वार्मिंग of 1.5 degrees centigrade. The social, economic, environmental factors underlying displacement of people by climate
This is not the way.
are complex and very.
Please don't waste the time of the House.
Therefore,
Important questions are there.
to effect of observed climate change.
First day of the House. And you want to disturb the House like this?
With any degree of confidence, it's challenging. So IPCC also says, after studying, that it is not possible to attribute everything to climate change.
Right. This is not the way. Unnecessary. ये नहीं आएगा रिकॉर्ड में. आप लोग होश में आके नियम को समझने के लिए कोशिश करिए, क्योंकि ये सब रिकॉर्ड में आएगा नहीं. आपका होश और वो सब बर्बाद होगा. अननेसेसरी. सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पिल्ली सुभाष चंद्र बोस in Lok Sabha.
I am from Lok Sabha, sir. The rising ocean temperature and increased acidity, the entire food web is being altered and the productivity of global fish production is being impacted. This can be severely impact the food security as well as livelihood of the coastal areas of the country. 9 out of 30.
ये unparliamentary words use मत करो. ये last is unparliamentary. Don't bring unparliamentary things to parliament. It's an unparliamentary word. You all know. अब देखिए रिकॉर्ड देखिए ना. रिकॉर्ड मैंने नहीं बनाया. ये पुराना जमाने से चल रहा है. Record. देखिए. If you don't want the house to continue, you don't want the house, you don't want to deprive the people of the question and answers, then I can adjourn the house. You don't want. You have been in government for years. Please understand. The opposition, the entire house wants the house to continue. अब लोग जाइए please. Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Ask your members to go to your seat. I have given an opportunity to all of you. ये तो लोकतंत्र का मजाक नहीं करना. This is not the way. This is not the way. This is not the way. I don't want to take any drastic action on the first day. The House is adjourned to meet at 11 o'clock.